Hello students, now solving question number 4 of exercise 4.3. Construct three equations starting with x is equal to 2. जितने भी क्वेश्चंस हमने लास्ट में सॉल्व किए हैं वी हैव स्टार्टिंग विद वी हैव गिवन एन इक्वेशन एंड वी हैव सोल्व्ड in the last we have separated the variable, but here we are given the variable only, value of variable only, and we are to solve the equation. Means अपोजिट प्रोसीजर है. जैसे हम क्या करते थे, अगर हमें कोई इक्वेशन दी है तो हम ऐड सब्ट्रैक्ट करके डिलीट करके एलिमिनेट करके हम क्या करते थे, लास्ट में वेरिएबल की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करते थे. और तो यहाँ पे क्या करना है आपको, only variable is given and we are to construct the equation from the given variable. So x is equal to 2. We can multiply with any of the number. We can multiply with 5 also, 10 also, and 9 also. So it depend upon us that which number, with which number we are to multiply. So multiplying with 10, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2 here, multiplying with 10 on both sides. Multiplying with by लिख सकते हैं आप, multiplying by 10 on both sides. Okay, 10 multiply x is equal to 10 multiply 2. So 10x is equal to 20. This is also an equation. And also we can add adding 2 also we can make. This is first equation. Adding 2 on both sides, so 10x plus 2 is equal to 20 plus 2. Whichever operation we are applying will apply on both sides. So 10x plus 2 is equal to 22. So this is the another equation. Also we can collect this or not. This may be first equation. Also now we can take another equation here, dividing by 5 on both sides. X by 5 is equal to 2 by 5. This is second equation. Now coming to third equation, 5x also we can multiply by 5 on both sides. I have multiplied with this equation with 5. X 5, 5 to the 10. 5x is equal to 10. Okay, so and again subtracting 3 on both sides. Subtract here 3. 5x is equal to minus 3 is equal to 7. So this is the third equation. Also you can take this equation. This is our first equation. हमने we are to construct three equation. हमें क्या करने थे, three equations को बनाना था. So यहाँ भी एक equation बनती है. अगर आप चाहते तो यहाँ से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. ये इक्वेशन भी बन गई यहाँ से. या फिर हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, इस इक्वेशन जो आपको वेरिएबल की वैल्यू गिवन थी उससे क्या किया, 5 से डिवाइड कर दिया बोथ साइड्स. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन इक्वेशन. अगेन मैंने क्या किया, नेक्स्ट टाइम मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 5 ऑन बोथ साइड्स, 5x इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग 3 ऑन बोथ साइड्स. It depends on us. We can subtract 2 also here. We can subtract 1, 5, any number we can take. 5x minus 3 is equal to 7. This is the third equation. Now coming to B part. In this part, we are to construct again three equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2. First of all, we can multiply this equation by a number, any number on both sides. Okay. So multiplying by 4 you can take, or by 3 you can take. Multiplying by 3 on both sides. 3x, 3 multiply x is equal to 3 multiply minus 2. 3x is equal to minus 6. So this is first equation. Also we can take we can add any number in this equation. So adding 7 on both sides. 7 on both sides. 3x plus 7 is equal to minus 6 plus 7, and 3x plus 7 is equal to 1. This is equation number second. And again also I can take another number for adding uh, 10 on both sides of equation 1 and 10 on both sides of equation 1. Okay, 3x plus 10 is equal to, what was equation first? 3x plus 10 is equal to minus 6 plus 10, and 3x plus 10 is equal to 4. So this was equation number third. We can take any number at the place of 10 here. So it depends upon